Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about IDEX token, guys. What's the right now price of IDEX? What's the price changes occur in the IDEX? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update video about IDEX, guys. The right now price of IDEX in the market is 0.3941 USD dollar. That is the right now price of IDEX. Guys, if you want this kind of more news and updates about cryptocurrencies market, so please click the subscribe button below right now and also press the bell icon for any video notification, guys. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes occur in the IDEX is about negative 11.95%. Changes occur just in the last 24 hours. Guys, from these changes, that's just 24 hours changes. From these changes, that's clear that IDEX are going in the lows from last 24 hours, and everybody are in a right now situation they decide to sell, guys. Now in the next video we are going to decide, we are going to do a technical analysis, so subscribe now. Anyways, guys, if you want contact with the IDEX community, so here you can find the website links of IDEX, guys. Now furthermore, guys, let me show you the price statistic. Oh my god, you can see here. Oh my god, same, the trading volume of IDEX also going in the low 60%, negative 60% IDEX trading volume decrease in the market. So that's really bad news for all of you, because now at this time 60% people are going to sell. If 60% people decide to sell, so the absolutely the changes of IDEX will become negative, guys. Anyways, guys, hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update video.